Hi guys, this boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to change the date and time on your iPhone. The first thing, go to setting. From settings, scroll down until you see the screen time. Under screen time, go to general. From general, scroll down and looking for date and time. You see under the background app, refresh. You see the date and time here on it. From there, you see it's set automatically that you specify your location and set your time zone. If you need to change, you need to display display the set automatically. I cannot that because my phone is locked for specific time zone. See, if that you need to disable it and change your date you need or time you need in your iPhone. And this video for today. I hope for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.